What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today I'm gonna ask a bunch of people what their favorite trick is, and then I'm gonna have them go and do that trick. So we're gonna learn and see a bunch of fun tricks today. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you love roller skating or if you want to be a roller skater, then I highly recommend that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post. I put out new videos every week. And head on over to www.cheersthequeers.com to buy some cool stuff and support my channel.
Hi, my name is Sora at Supernova on most platforms. My pronouns are whatever fits the bill for you. He, they, she, whatever feels right. My favorite trick is the Barani, but my favorite trick that I can accomplish time and time again would be the aerial. And I'm hoping to do an aerial today.
Awesome. Yeah!
Hi, my name is Estrogen, and I go by they, she pronouns. My Instagram is Estrogen. What's our TikTok? Spell it out.
I don't know what TikTok's on here.
What? My favorite trick is anything I don't know yet, and I'm gonna try something. I'll leave Miz to forward anything. Switch up. Ready?
Yeah, so ready?
Was 13, and I lost it a long time ago, but I really don't have a lot of followers. So it's in TikTok, but yeah, from TikTok, but I don't have any more.
Okay, so what's your favorite skate trick?
Going backwards.
Okay, you're gonna show me going backwards?
Yep.
Whoa! Why don't you go backwards that way so you don't run into it?
She, her. My Instagram handle is Skates, and I've been working on the kind grind.
Yes!
Hi, my name is Carmen. I go by she, her, and my art account is called @Mewoji on Instagram, so why don't you check her out? I think my favorite trick, I don't know what it's called, but I just like jumping backwards over the ledges over there.
Awesome. Let's go do it.
All right.
Yes! Yes! Woo! Yeah! Awesome. Nice!
Hi, I'm Nina. My pronouns are they, them. My name is Shooky Skates on Instagram, and my favorite trick is an aerial.
Yeah!
I'm 26. My pronouns are she, her. My favorite trick is probably a cartwheel drop-in.
Yeah. Are you gonna come over here? Yes! Oh my God! Amazing! Yeah!
Hey guys, I'm Joni Sunshine. She, her, and I don't know the name of the trick. I'm really bad at names of stuff, but basically I'm stalling left foot like this, and then bringing my two wheels this way, and then falling back in.
All right.
That make sense?
Yeah, that totally makes sense. Thank you so much. That's amazing.
My name's Tia. My pronouns are she, her, and my favorite trick are 50-50 grinds.
Awesome. Yeah. but that was a dope fail. I really... Yeah! Yes!
Hi, my name's Katie. My pronouns are she, her, and my handle is Kamarble, and my favorite trick is jumping.
Hi, my name is Joseph, and it's he, him. My handle is JosephX25 Instagram. And my favorite trick right now, which I'm trying, is a stall. I'm serious to play hockey, so let's give it a try.
Yeah.
Go, bro.
Yeah!
Alright, my name's Lexi. I go by she, her, and my Instagram is VIDEOGRAPHY.
And what's your favorite skate trick?
A handstand. It's like the only trick I can do.
Alright, let's do it. Alright. Yeah! Awesome! Yeah!
Hello, my name is Kiana Pagano. I go by he, him, and my Instagram handle is Kiana Pagano. My favorite trick is this little side slice I like to do. I made it up myself, and it's honestly really fun.
Oh, that's so dope! Ow! Wow! Yes, air! Oh my god, amazing.
Hello, my name is Braida, but please call me Saturn. My pronouns are they, them. My TikTok is _a.artistic.saturn. And my favorite trick so far, or like one that I'm working on, is getting used to going down that big hill right there and coming on up and doing a swirl.
Awesome, let's see it. Yeah!
You can't tell what I'm wearing. Try it on your mind. I know it like a terror, but there is no need to
Woo! Heck yeah! Awesome job. Nice.
Hi, my name is Peyton. My pronouns are they and them. Is that right? Okay. And my thing that I'm working on right now is going on this and jumping off.
Yeah! Nice job!
I'm Kim New Money. Pronouns are she, her. Handle is New Money Forever.
And what's your favorite trick that you're working on right now?
The one I've been working on trying to get consistent is the AO Miz, which is the alley-oop Mizu.
Alright, let's see it. Yeah. What's up? I'm Rebel, she, they, and queergirlstraightskates is my nickname / handle. And what I'm working on is this trick that Kiana taught me, which is something I don't really know what it's called, but it's amazing. But basically, you put your toe stop down and then you like go like this, and you try and make it spark against the coping. So that's what I'm working on right now. Let's do it. That was not it. That was not it. You twisted your foot the wrong way. Is it in or out? Out. Yeah. Except better than that. Oh. But I need to go at an angle. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and put your favorite trick that you love doing all the time down in the comments below so we can learn even more about more tricks. Go over to cheersthequeers.com and buy some stuff, support this channel. But most importantly, cheers to the queers!
I've got a